Hi guys, happy Wednesday. So here's our intro to metric conversions. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask me tomorrow. I am also going to be posting not only this video with questions, but also a video I found on YouTube that I found really helpful, and a video. It's a vocabulary wrap, which I think you guys will just enjoy. It's for fun. So, converting metric units is pretty easy. You just have to remember that King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So, the fairy tale of King Henry and the metric system. King Henry was a jolly English king most of the time. Even though metrics have been used in England for a really long time, King Henry had difficulty converting between the different metric units. He had really become frustrated and confused. He felt, as a king, he should be able to do about anything. He asked for help from all of the smart people in the kingdom. They tried hard, but without a lot of luck. Until one day, one of the great mathematicians, Miss Margavskaya, yes, that's me, came forward. Miss Margavskaya explained to King Henry that everything in metrics was done by either multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10, which is easy to do by just moving the decimal point to the right or to the left. She explained how to convert between the units so well that King Henry got so excited and ordered her to make up a chart to help others. They understood just as well, so he got even more excited and decided to throw a party. While King Henry was drinking his chocolate milk, he tried to explain what he had learned to his fellow guests. He got so excited over it that King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. King stands for kilo. Henry stands for hecto. Died stands for deca. By. This is where your meters, liters, or grams. This is your base units. Meters are used to measure distance, liters are used to measure volume, and grams are used to measure weight. Drinking is deci, chocolate is centi, and milk is milli. And as you can see, all of the, the abbreviations are on the bottom. Okay, so, sorry, the bell rang. So, the rules are that you always start with what you know. And, let me fill in it. 2, if a number does not have a decimal, we give it one. And remember that in any whole number, the decimal is on the right. And then we're going to move your decimal in the same direction as you move on the chart. So let's do this example to the right together. So we have 89 grams and we want to turn it to milligrams. Well, grams is in base. So here we have grams and we have 89. Well, I know that the decimal is on the right. I'm adding my decimal. And I know that in order to get to milli, I'm going to start here, and I need to go 1, 2, 3 bunny hops. So I'm going to do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3 bunny hops. And add my zeros, which means that 89 grams is simply 89,000 milligrams. The reason is that milli is actually 1/1000th. So, in that case, you have to multiply 89 by 1,000 to get to the milligrams. Okay, so if you kind of got the gist, you could pause and try them yourself and then check the answers. If not, I'm actually going to go through them. Okay, so you could try them yourself and then check, or you could just follow me as I go along if you don't feel very comfortable just yet. So, number 1, we have liters to milliliters. So, I know that liters is in my base right here, and I want to travel to the milliliters. ML is milli. So, 1, 2, 3 to the right. So, 1, 2, 3 to the right, which means that I am left with 1,240 milliliters. And I tend to like to rewrite it, but, so for this one, I might rewrite it on the bottom. 875, decimal to the right, meters, and I'm going to kilometers. So let me erase this. We start at meters, which is still base, and we're going to kilometers. So now we're going to go the opposite way. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. And we end up with 0.875 kilometers, or 875 thousandths. Okay, here we have 4 kilometers, 4 decimal point, and we need to go to millimeters. MM is millimeters. So this is going to be a big travel here. We're starting from the kilo and we're moving to the milli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in all your empty egg holes with zeros. So yes, that is right. We get 4 million. Oh, that's wrong. I forgot a 0. Another 0 there. There we go. That's correct now. Yes. Okay, 75 centimeters. 75 decimal point. And we're going in the millimeters, so we're only moving one little space over from here to here. Just once. And we get 750. And the last one, we have 692 millimeters. I'm running out of room here. Decimal point at the end. And I want to go to centi, so I'm going to go from here just back to the centimeters. And I get 69.2. So the metric unit is all about just moving your decimals to the right or to the left, as long as you know where the units are. Okay? So I want you guys to try these. Pause the video, try them on your own, and then you guys could play the video and I'll have the answers for you. Or maybe I won't. Okay, we're going to have to do these. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Awesome. Alright, so I'm starting off with centimeters, decimal point on the right. And I'm moving to the meters. So that means I'm traveling 1, 2 spaces to the left because meters are in base. 1, 2. So 95 centimeters is equal to 0.95 meters. A vase holds about 1.25 liters of water, and we're going to milliliters. Liters are in my base right here. And if I'm traveling to the millis, I'm going 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1,250 milliliters. Okay. 50 millimeters. We start with milli, and we're traveling to the meters. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 0.05. Okay, why did I leave off that 0? I really don't need the 0 at the end. Oh, this is a big one. Kilometers to centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So there it is, 2,100,000. And last one, 6 milliliters to liters. Liters are in base. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 0.006. And I think that might be it. That is it. That was your do know. You got a sneak peek for tomorrow. All right. Have a great day and go ahead and answer the questions.